Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how do I make this double effect or double expo in your this maybe poster or in wedding invited card as well. So first of all, we need something is like this. Okay, so first of all is like this. We create a new page, and then this page I change the background is yellow. Then I come to element and select one of the couple is a dark color like this. So the info is called vector image, vector image. Okay. Then I just put over here, center over here like this, but not yet touch for the bottom part. This black color I totally change to white color, and then surrounding here I need to put triangle white, triangle white color. So if you're the Canva Pro account user, you must use this kind of technique. So your surrounding here is white. So that is why you see this one. Then the bottom part as well. So during this time, you have to save the page number three, and then upload one more time in your Canva, if you're Canva Pro user, and then you can use the remove Canva remover to remove the white color. Okay, so if you the Canva free user, a Canva free version user, I will let you know how can I do it if you use remove BG. So for example, I come in here, remove BG, then I upload just now the photo I use, for example. That will help me to remove like this. The white color will be removed, the white color, and white color these couples. Then I can click download and then upload one more time in the Canva like this, in the Canva upload. So if so just now I forget to tell you, for example, how to download is come to share and then come to download, select the page number 3, page number 3 to download now. If you are the Canva new Canva beginner, if you are the Canva beginner. So this is the technique, and you also can use this kind of technique. For example, just now this couple is a black color, so now I totally change with white color, or maybe I just remain black color, it doesn't matter. So important is I have only 2 color, not like this kind of technique. This is the 2 color, and then I download the page is number 4. For example, I download and then page number 4, download the page number 4, click done and then click download. Once again, I just put on the technique in the, you just log into the, you just click the Photopea website and then totally is free. Then come in here, open for your computer. Then just select one, just now you download the photo like this. Just come to the the bottom, the menu bar over here, number 1, 2, 3, number 3. If you see this one magic way, you just click it, then just come to here. But some of time they will come up is post up is a quick selection or object selection. So you just come end of the bottom corner here, click, and then click the magic wave. So now we want to remove the yellow color, this couple only. So just click, drag, press the button delete, then this is what I want. So you just come over here, file, going to export as PNG, and then you just click, then just rename this one, click save, one more time upload to your Canva account. You also can use this pixeler. This I already then this one is totally free for use, no need any registration or or a pay version for you, then totally is free. So this one I also explained in the previous video. I also will put the link below the description box. So once we come in this one, we just click this one, open image. Just now I mentioned the one like this. We can come to this toolbar, coming here, the scissor cutout, just click it, and then come to magic cut out, just click it. Then if let's say he put the blue color is called remove, then we can click this yellow color, click and drag, then it will remove for us. Just click save, and then png, save as. This name maybe I just put PIXL. For example, I just apply, then was done. So let's check it out. So here they will mention here. This is just now he downloaded. Okay, so now we're back to the Canva. So we've used this kind of technique. Don't forget, upload one more time. Files. Just now you download from here, or maybe from remove BG, or your this Photoshop here as well. Just upload to your Canvas. So once again, so for example, if you're the Canva free user, so we can use this one, just put over here. Just now the picture is okay. For example, just now we upload the one is use the remove BG, or maybe you use the Canva remover. So you can use this kind of technique, because just now we use the one is yellow color. So what we can do, okay, don't forget this one behind, you can use the item is called watercolor paint stain. Just put behind, they just overlap this picture, and then come to edit, click dual tool, and then change to white. Both of them change to white color. Voila, this is just now the one we use. The shape can be whatever color. So this is the Canva Pro user can use this kind of technique. So same technique we also can use at this part. For example, I just show you what I do from here. So for example, you just find one of the photo, for example, like love photo. So for example, I just use whatever the this one, for example, like love, maybe, okay, love, and then we can scroll down. Okay, never mind, we come to love, and then searching photo. Okay, so this one, there is the photo I just now for used. So after that, you just right click, set as a picture. Then we can use what just now we used the one remove the color from the photo here, or maybe from the pixel. So just flick it, and then we can make this one maybe adjust this one. Maybe we can make this one more okay. Just put on this the location we want. Then maybe this one we can make fully cover like this. Then if you're happy, don't forget lock this one. Then this is the double effect, but for me not so strong the picture for me. So I also can change the picture is behind, then this one is overlap like this. Is one of the image. Or I also can use this kind of technique. Then I apply another photo as well. So for example, this one I unlock first. Then during this one, I can delete this one. So this is the photo. Okay, I delete as well. So now I come to elements, then just find for the couples or love. Just now I saw the one is from here. So okay, maybe I put the one is called couples. Okay, yeah, I've found it. This one as well, and this one as well. So this one I just flip it, and then I put end of the corner, and then this one I try to come end of the corner here, just make it more bigger, the size I want. Okay, then we use the photo we apply, for example, like this. Okay, maybe I just flip it. Okay, this is what I want, maybe. Then this one I can change. No, I just put the position I want. Okay, for example, like this, just make it smaller. Maybe like this. Then this one can be adjusted a little bit until you happy about this outcome. Then just coming here to lock it. So once you lock it already, now you can apply the text, apply this called icon, if I'm not mistaken, heart 3D Valentine's Day. You also can apply this kind of the ring. I think most of them is suitable for the wedding invited card. So this one is called buildable rusting wedding invitation card. So this is today I'm sharing about the double expose technique, can say like that. So this technique you can apply to your wedding card or whatever the card as well. So sorry about that. Today I'm not so well. So hope you enjoyed today the video. Don't forget, please share to your friend if you think this video is okay or good for your friends. And see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.